Happy Earth Day from EnvirOx. Perhaps you've heard about our unique green cleaning technology, but today on Earth Day, instead of talking about a healthier way to clean, let's talk about trees and sunshine. This past fall, we partnered with Trees for Danville to plant 93 trees on EnvirOx property. More trees mean cleaner air, higher tree equity, natural beauty, and will even eventually provide a wind barrier for our facility. So now for our next project, I really hope you're not afraid of heights. Over the coming months, EnvirOx is adding solar power to our sustainability commitment. That's right, we're going solar! Tune in to follow our solar panel installation because really, every day is Earth Day.